Hi guys, so I made another cold process soap bar. This one is actually made with real rosemary. I will show you. Look how cute they are. Freaking cute. They are smaller, so if you want them bigger, just double the recipe. But look. So this recipe is actually very easy to make and recreate. The tops are totally optional, whatever you want. I like it, just gives it a bit more natural vibe. They are all natural. I use essential oil instead of fragrance oil, but whatever you want. It's your recipe, your soap bar. My cat wanted to come in my office, so I moved my soap bars into a safe space from her, so she will not touch the soap bars. However, we're going to make the recipe right now. It is also written on my blog, and I will also post it on YouTube. It's easier to find it on my blog because you will find the YouTube video and the recipe on there and a step-by-step guide. Everything is written on there, but it is very easy to follow, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with measuring our hard oils. In this case, shea butter and coconut oil. Don't be a dummy and put it in a microwave safe bowl and not a silver bowl, and put it in the microwave on a low setting. Stir in between all the time until it's fully melted, and then we're going to add our soft oils. I almost forgot to mention that I already pre-made the lye. It's all written in the blog and the recipe, what you need and what you're going to use. Here I'm taking the tops off. This is purely decoration, so if you don't want it, you don't have to do it. And I'm also getting the rosemary leaves. So I'm not going to explain how to make lye water, as I don't think I am the right person with safeguard. But there are so many more people out there who can explain this the right way to you. You need so many safety steps, and that's also why I don't show it on video, as I don't want to recommend it. Anyways, we're getting some more oil in a paper cup, and I'm going to add my blue clay powder. I measured both temperatures. They have to be between 38 and 42 degrees. They don't have to be the same number, but they have to be close. I'm going to add my blue clay mixture, my lye, my sodium lactate and the rosemary leaf, and I'm going to use my scent mixer. You see that trace? It's almost perfect, but a little too thin. I'm using my hand to cover any kind of spatter, just to be sure. And when it's done, we're pouring it in our loaf soap mold. I use my spoon to texture the top and put all the tops in top. Purely for decoration. If you don't want it, you don't have to. Now it's 24 hours later and look how beautiful it looks. It's a grey-green color and it's absolutely beautiful. My blue clay changed to green, grey-green actually. And that's mostly because of the oils I use. My oils are pretty yellowy, so that's why I don't have a blue color. It's not the same as mica coloring, so please read whatever you want, but it has so many beneficial properties. I cut my soap loaves in 14 pieces, but if you want to make it 8 pieces or 10 pieces or 20 pieces, that's totally optional. It's your soap bar, your soap. And if this video is going way too fast for you, that's absolutely fine. I have it all written down on the blog, step by step. I'll have also the recipe on there. You can follow it on there. That's probably easier, especially if you're just starting out. And this is the finished result. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please share with me and go check out my blog for more recipes or more crafts and DIYs. Thank you so much.